Hello guys, in today's video we are going to see about SCD substitute task. So in this task they have mentioned like there is some template in the backup server. So in that template we have to replace all the words text to torpedo. So how do we do that? Let's log into the server. So our backup server is this one, SSH client at, paste the command, enter. Yes. So copy paste the value of, okay. So we have pasted our value. So let's take the sudo access. Sudo space, su space, hyphen, paste. Okay. We have the root access now. So let's check. How do we check? We can give cat paste using the grep command. We can see how many places it was actually present. Text. Okay, it is so many places it was present, so we can leave it. We'll directly replace this. So we are going to use the stream editor command, SCD. I'm going to change it in the file already which is in place. So I'm giving -i. Now I'm giving the value in the single quotes. S means substitute slash text. This value I have to found and I have to replace it by torpedo. So we have given the value they have given us torpedo. So we are going to do it on all the lines. So we are giving G, which means it will replace everything globally, then close the single quotes. So once you done, you have to give where that file actually present. Root slash netalias.xml. So we are good to go. Enter. So let's check if it is replaced. You see, we are not able to found anything. So let's check the new value, torpedo. Now you can see all the values are replaced. So our task should have been success. We'll check this, confirm. So as we did, our task is success. We'll see you in next video.